Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoiner Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Now you will learn news about the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu crashed down 20% as Russia-Ukraine war breaks out. War breaking out has historically been massive bearish news for markets, and sure enough, the largest meme coins in the crypto sector have taken a deep plunge in response to the news of the Russia-Ukraine invasion. Let's first look at how the event has affected Doge so far. At the time of writing, Dogecoin's price floats around $11,271, down 22% in the past week. The below chart shows the trend in the price of the meme coin over the last 5 days. In the last day alone, the coin has shed more than 20% in value. Over the course of the past month, the losses are a bit lesser, currently standing at 19%. As for Shiba Inu's price, it is currently trading at $0.000219, down 28% in the past week. Here is the chart for the trend in SHIB's price over the last 5 days. The Doge cousin has suffered similar losses over the last 20 hours, amounting to around 20%. In the span of the last 30 days, however, Shiba Inu seems to have suffered a much better fate than Dogecoin, accumulating only a little under 2% in losses. Evaluating the likelihood of Dogecoin hitting 10 cents soon. Dogecoin under $0. 1. The altcoin has been losing its value on the charts for more than 9 months now. In fact, it hasn't registered a rally since May 2021. Consequently, 69 cents is the highest level Doge has hit thus far. On the contrary, the coin, at the time of writing, was lingering around 12 cents. The demand for Doge has gradually diminished over the months. Over the macro timeframe, the meme coin has been somewhat consolidating with the bulls at rest. Furthermore, the bulls have often been witness to price depreciations that have cost Doge over 10% of its value. Even relatively marginal corrections have emerged to be significant, since they haven't been balanced by a recovery. At the time of writing, the altcoin seemed to be inching closer to its next support level with every passing day. And, if the trend reversal doesn't kick in, the token will fall further. The MACD seem to be supporting that narrative too. However, the ATX is yet to indicate if the active trend has strength or not. However, regardless of market conditions, investors are doing their best to counter the fall. First of all, unlike Shiba Inu, Doge investors are not only active on the network, but their participation is increasing, even during unfavorable situations. Up from an average of 60k addresses, the count for Dogecoin investors peaked at 144k. Secondly, to hold the price from falling due to a dump, Doge holders are hodling as much as possible. According to the Alts meme coin age, for instance, since November, investors are consciously accumulating in the hope of recovery. This can also be backed by the change in hodler distribution. Soon after the transition to accumulation, the 1 week to 1 month old 25 to 26 billion Doge moved into the 1 month to 3 months cohort. And, at the end of January, the same shifted to the 3 months to 6 months cohort. This means that investors are hodling their Doge, despite the lack of rally in the market. Well, not only is this essential, but it's actually keeping Doge from tumbling down the charts further. As long as investors keep supporting Doge, perhaps, we might not see the crypto fall below 10 cents anytime soon. Whether that is enough for another recovery rally, well, that is hard to say. Move on to the next news. Crypto exchange scraps fee charges for Ukrainian customers. More goodwill continues to pour in as crypto market participants have expressed support for Ukraine. Local Bitcoins, a leading global peer-to-peer Bitcoin marketplace, has said that it stands with Ukraine in the trying time the country is going through. Latest news. Bitcoin's price recovery continues. The price of Bitcoin continued to trend upwards in the last few days, reaching an intraday high of $44,634 today. However, at the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at around $43,700, down 1.8% in the last 24 hours. The market has defied fears that sanctions may be placed on crypto as governments try to isolate Russia's economy. However, analysts have dismissed the fears, saying that crypto, especially Bitcoin being a public ledger, would not prove viable for Russia to use in circumventing sanctions. Well, now we will discuss the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. Dogecoin is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites.